What's the meaning of abrasively? Abrasively. 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 The word abrasively means in a rude and unkind manner that may hurt other people's feelings. It can be used to describe someone's tone of voice, their behavior, or their words. For example, you might say that someone is talking abrasively if they are being overly critical or aggressive. Or, you might say that someone is being abrasive if they are being rude or disrespectful. Here are some examples of how the word abrasively can be used in a sentence. The teacher spoke abrasively to the student who had forgotten their homework. The politician's abrasive campaign style turned off many voters. The couple's abrasive relationship often led to arguments. It is important to note that the word abrasively can have a negative connotation. If you are describing someone as being abrasive, you are essentially saying that they are being rude and unkind. So, it is important to use the word carefully and only when it is truly appropriate.